All right, guys, so Hurricane Irma passed at 7 o'clock in the morning. Coming out for first light. We got some compromised shingles on the south side of my house, which was the predominant heavy wind side. We got gusts over 100 miles an hour last night. Power went out about 12:30 at night, still out. Cell service is in and out. There's some foam from a flat roof somewhere. We got lots of soffits from other houses, some siding, more foam. My fence is down on this side of the house. The protection I did on the chimney really helped me out, I think. I think that thing would have been blown away. All that siding would have been blown off. All my siding is still intact. Cover your chimney. That thing was so loud all night, and I know we'd have been full of water from that. Downspouts are still in place. Those accordion shutters and the hurricane shutters saved our butts. Down fence. More of that foam. Trees, all the leaves are gone, or a lot of them. Pool's full of leaves. Again, highly recommend getting accordion shutters or covering your sliders, doors, and windows. We were totally bunkered in. Neighbor's house lost a lot of shingles. Roof looks good on this side. Trees took a whipping. Fence. There's some metal siding. Lots of shingles from the neighbor's house. Shingles all over. Soffits in the fence. There's my pond. The umbrella trees completely got stripped. Luckily I had all my trees trimmed about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. More fence. Soffits all look good. Neighbor's roof, not so good. Got wires hanging, not power, just cable. More shingles. Protected all my windows and doors. Storm panels. I don't know whose big wheel that is. More shingles. Still tropical storm winds coming through. But we've had tropical storm winds. I can tell you, I will evacuate for a 3. We had a 2, and that's just too close for comfort. Although the pink flamingo across the street, one of them has survived the storm. The other is on the ground. All right, I'm gonna head up to the beach and see what we got. The beach is right down the end of my street between those two buildings.
Here's a closer look of my neighbor's roof damage. I'm on top of my roof. And here's a closer look at the damage on my roof. Definitely going to need some repairs. Could have been a lot worse. Skylights held up fine. Chimney held up fine. Just lost some of my shingles.
Stop signs underwater. This place lost his roof. Somehow it looks like it missed that boat. From there to there and did not hit the boat. Oceanfront townhouse, all the soffits ripped out. Guaranteed water got all inside the ceilings and downstairs of that place. Waves are absolutely gigantic. Huge. All the beach renourishment sand is gone. Is that people in the water down there? Yeah. That's stupid. There's boardwalks, trees. Are you sure? That might just be like a big something. If that's a person, that's idiotic. They don't realize there's palm trees and everything else in here. We probably lost about 8 feet of dune, 6 feet of dune. Fences across the access to the ocean. Sunrise after a pretty rough night. Lost their soffits and wind's still tropical storm force here. More soffits from this condo here. Shingles, downspouts. power lines. Traffic lights, one of them's gone, riders are dangling. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got all kinds of how-tos, tips and tricks, and even some project videos. So subscribe, check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.